Hello students, let us continue the session on ratio and proportion. Today we will be solving exercise 12.2. The first question is to determine if the following are in proportion. In that, first one is 15, 45, 40 and 120. Here when I take the ratio of 15 by 45, we get it as 1 by 3, and 40 by 120 also is 1 by 3. Therefore 15 is to 45 is proportional to 40 is to 120. This is one of the method. Another method is you can multiply the extremes and you can multiply the mean. If they are equal, then we say that the ratios, the numbers are in proportion. For example, I'll take example E. If you multiply 4 into 12, we get 48. If you multiply 6 into 8, also we get 48. So 4 is to 6 is proportional to 8 is to 12. I am using the concept product of extremes equal to product of means. Look at B. If you take the ratio 33 upon 121, we can simplify this as 3 by 11, 9 by 96. On simplification, we get 3 by 32. So the ratios are not equal. We say that 33 is to 121 is not equal to 9 is to 96. They are not in proportion. Now I will be telling which all are proportional to each other and which are not, and I am giving you a task. You should check whether these are proportional or not. This third one, it is not in proportion. Fourth one also is not in proportion, and the sixth one, these numbers are in proportion. I want you to check whether these are proportional or not. Either you follow this method or you follow this method. Question number 2. Write true or false against each of the following statements. The first statement here is 16 is to 24 proportional to 20 is to 30. I'll multiply these two extremes and I'll multiply these two means. If they are equal, then the numbers are in proportion and the statement will become true. 16 into 30, we get it as 480. 24 into 20 also is 480. Therefore 16 is to 24 is proportional to 20 is to 30. This statement is a true statement. Let's do one more. B. 21 is to 6 proportional to 35 is to 10. If you do 21 into 10, we get 210. On multiplying 6 into 35, also we get 210. Therefore 21:6 is proportional to 35:10. This particular statement is also true statement. So I have explained the first two questions. I'll be telling you whether they are true or false. I want you to verify that. For the third one, the statement is false. For the fourth one, the statement is true. For the fifth one, the statement is false. And for the sixth one, the statement is true. I want you to verify these four sub-questions. Question number 3. Are the following statements true? 40% is to 200% equal to rupees 15 is to rupees 75. Now, in such cases, it's better to take the ratios. The first one, if you do the ratio of 40 upon 200, on simplification it becomes 1/5. And rupees 15 upon rupees 75 is also 1/5. Therefore, %40 is to 200% is equal to rupees 15 is to rupees 75 is true statement. In the second, if you take the ratio of 7.5 upon 15, we get it as 1/2, and 5 kg by 10 kg is also 1/2. Therefore, 7.5 liters is to 15 liters is equal to 5 kg is to 10 kg. This statement is also a true statement. Third one, 99 kg upon 45 kg. On simplification, this becomes 911 times 95 times 44 120, 411 times 45 times. Since they are equal, I can say that 99 kg is to 45 kg is equal to rupees 44 is to rupees 20 is a true statement. Fourth one, 32 upon 64 is 1/2. 6 upon 12 is also 1/2. So I can say that 32 meter is to 64 meter is equal to 6 seconds is to 12 seconds is a true statement. And the fifth sub-question, 45 kilometer upon 60 kilometer. On simplification, this becomes 15 3 times, 15 4 times. 12 upon 15 is 3 4 times, 3 5 times. Therefore, 45 kilometer is to 60 kilometer is equal to 12 hours is to 15 hours is a false statement. Question number 4, it's also similar to the previous type of question, and they have mentioned that write the middle terms, extreme terms where the ratios form proportion. I'll be telling you one of the sub question here. Remaining you can try. This time I'll consider the fourth one. 200 milliliter is to 2.5 liters and rupees 4 is to rupees 50. You must know that in a liter there will be 1000 milliliters. So for 2.5 liters it has to be 2500 milliliters. Now if you take the ratio 200 upon 2500, this becomes 2 upon 5, and 4 by 50 is also 2 by 25. So you can say that yes, these numbers are in proportion. Here the middle terms are 2.5 liters and rupees 4, and the extremes are 200 milliliter and rupees 50. So I have told one of the sub question here, and the remaining 3 sub questions you will be doing it. Now we have completed the exercise 12.2. In the next session we shall solve exercise 12.3. That's all for today's session. Thank you.